Last day of Uncle Ollie's house. Thank you for the ano alan dyan? Thank you for the hospitality. You know hospitality? Alan sa dyan, ano sasabihin mo kay Uncle Ollie? Thank you for the... Come. You don't know? Guys, ang ganda ng aming pinag-istehan, oh. Parang payapa. Peace.
Payapa.
May peace of mind. Oh.
Mine.
Ang ganda, oh. Ano, alam dyan? Ang sarap, ano?
Yes. Please, I'll give you.
Para siyang nasa Baguio. Hi, Eliza Jen!
Baguio.
Say hi, Eliza Jen! Sa uulitin ng Uncle Ole. Kamo. Uy!
Spin around.
Coming, I'll be there in a minute.
Yes, that's okay.
Come on, get last one. Keep spinning
Say hi,
around.
Daddy!
Hi, hello.
Ang ganda ng kanyang... Ito yung kwarto namin.
Over there.
Oh, tapos ito yung kanyang labasan. Ang ganda. Mapiling ang puste. Ngit. Ayun na, lapis na. Ito.
Mama, look what happened to the paragraph.
Babalik yan. Lapit na. Galing ano? Nandun lang tayo sa ano, kabilang ano. Go na tayo?
No.
Nagkanan pa siya? Okay. Waiting naman sila o mga papunta din. Woohoo! We are here again! Yee-hoo! Pauwi na tayo! Thank you so much. Thank you, Papa God. We are safe. Yeah, thank you, Papa God. Ang daming tao. Ang daming nagaway.
Continue on British Columbia 126 kilometers.
Tapos dagat. Alam dyan, tingnan mo, ang daming bahay, oh. Grabe ang bahay na iyan. Tapos dagat.
Alan, just stop stepping on the back.
Grabe, oh. I cannot imagine that life that we have. Yan, maraming yacht. Where's that?
Wala na?
Ayun, oh, yun, oh.
Huh? Where?
Yeah.
Dad?
Oh. Oh. Guys, ganda guys, oh. Ganda guys. Ganda ng likha ng Panginoon. Ganda ng likha niya, grabe.
Mama, why is this? Mama, why is this water green? Mama, I got a question. Why is this water green?
Ay, ikot na siya. Ganda guys. Jane! Alaysa Jane! Okay na dito. May mga, tingnan mo Alan dyan, may mga nakatira doon, no? Mga bahay, no? May mga nakatira. Na, malapit na tayo sa bundok. Bundok, kailan sa Jane? Na-enjoy na ni Alan dyan. What do you mean? Hindi ko alam. Ah, sparkling nga, sparkling. Meron silang nilagay sa juice, sa tubig. Ayan na lang dyan, nagaganda na. Tignan mo yung pinakatuktok na bundok ko, saan kaya yun?
Mama, I hate this one.
Ocean, tapos we need to, biyahe.
Mama, parang volcano ito.
Volcano?
Yeah, cause there are like so much islands in the surrounding us, and then their water fill up.
Parang ganon. Now you enjoy the view.
Yeah, Mama.
Enjoy ka na, oh.
Why undersea monster very 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 deep in the ocean?
Oh, doon sila nakatira, di ba?
What kind of monster? I think
You know, first time akong makasakay ng ganito kalaking ship. Nung pumunta tayo dito, but the last time, natatakot ka eh, you didn't enjoy. Now, na-enjoy mo na sa labas, right? Good.
I'm also excited to go home.
You're excited to go home?
Yeah, because they're finally internet.
You imagine mo yung bahay ni Uncle, nasa bundok sila, Ah, grabe, parang isang bundok, tapos nakatira maraming tao. Dito,
How much if we go here? How much do this boat cost?
hindi ko alam, anak.
Mama, but I was gonna say.
But this boat, a lot of people
Yeah, but
working
I was
here.
gonna say, how can he afford this back and forth every Sunday?
Every day, every 2 hours. Every 2 hours.
He go back and forth
Yes.
with this boat. Mama.
Enjoy Alan dyan?
I like looking at the boat, the wave. I like looking at the
Yan ang alam dyan in the Philippines, Hawaii Island. Island. Diyan muna. Diyan go. Go. Sarado. Punta kayo. Dito lang kami. Ha? Nag-i-enjoy kami. Punta tayo guys. Ang laki. Mas malaki ito. At mas maganda nung one time. Ay, mas maganda yung kayo. Nung one time din eh. Alam niya masyadong mahangin. Say hi, little train. Hi, little train. Hi.
And a children's play area. If you need help finding any
Say Alan dyan. Happy ka Alan dyan? Malalaki na kayo. I-appreciate ka. Hindi na tayo sa gilid. Dito oh. Okay na tayo dito. Hanggang sa Jen. So Jen. The girl wants to go outside. Yeah, so cute.
Yeah.
Huwag mo na lapitan, umalis yung aso. Ayaw niya. It's nice. Taka picture. Alam dyan, wow, ang ganda. Gandang kili-kili ko, bas ano, presko, smile. Kailan sa dyan smile? Ay, tatalong ka? Dahil gusto man tumalon? Ang sarap nga, ang sarap. Bye, Gibson. Just say bye, Uncle Ole. Bye, Uncle Ole. Thank you for everything. Next time we will come back again. Bye, Uncle Ole. Nice tour. Thank you for the nice tour. Picture. Smile. Mas maganda dito. One time. Nice. Enjoy the moment. Ang sarap ano? Ang ganda no? Ang laki nitong barko na ito.
Oh. You okay?
Ano? Lasing ka, lasing? Say bye, Uncle Ole. Next time.
Cruise ships and everything.
Yeah,
Yeah,
at
nice.
the landscape and everything.
And then underneath where the wood is, there's a big hot tub there and everything.
Nice.
I used to just have my lunch on the deck.
Video ka na lang.
Ganda nga yun. Kanina, naligo na kami. Ngayon, nasa lilim na kami. Yan. Hello. Hi, Alan dyan. Ang sarap po dito, oh. Oo.
Ma, look, my clothes so shiny.
Yeah.
Guys, look what I
Kasi
found.
dagat.
Guys, look at my sister found this, and then she gave it to me. It's a little crystal. Here's me. I got one crystal in my friend's house.
Okay, picture. Sarap.
Here's two.
Over there, marami pa to doon. O, ngayon na kayo mag-picture.
Oo. Akin na, maligo kami. Ako, ganito na ako maligo.
Mag-picture na ngayon.
Wow, let's again, hi, let's again. We're lucky. We have how many spot we've, nakita? We've been, how many spot?
Lots of spots, lots of beautiful.
Yeah.
If you drive slowly, you can look to the left, see if there's a better access to
Yeah.
the water.
We could do that.
Because this is kind of hard. Look
Yeah.
at the nice waves we got, though. That'll
Yeah.
be fun. Ooh, yeah. So, like, that's what we could look if it's
There have people swim there. A lot of people that
down
better
there,
than
maybe
here.
it's better. Maybe
Yeah.
down
Yeah.
We'll go there then.
Yeah.
Different place. Oh,
You could park anywhere, really. In the shade, if you can
Yeah.
find
Have a
it.
cyber truck ka lang
You
dyan.
can have a look by
Where?
the
Dito sa harap
logs
mo.
here.
Oh, there.
Anywhere you want, you can park.
Oh, my God,
It's better around here now, right?
Yeah, sure.
Nothing.
Fine. Well, the biggest challenge is but Gibson's is almost the same size.
Guys, dito po kami nag-stay. Ang ganda. Para siyang bagyo. Ang ganda, oh. First time. At 5,000 lang daw ang tao dito sa Gibson. Ganun lang kakunti, oh. House, 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 pakyat. And then pakorte. Ganun. Ang ganda.
Open the window.
Thank you. Bye. Say hi, Daddy. Ganda. Hi, Labet. Payapa. Haba. Dagat sa taas yan, no? Oh, tingnan mo yung mga building anan dyan, no? Nakita mo yung mga building? Ah. Tingnan natin, kung gutom ka, maraming food. Ikaw, anong gusto mong food?
In 800 meters, take exit 28 for Boundary Road.
Vancouver ba yun? Grabe ang building mo. Vancouver yan? Grabe ang building. Hindi ako building lover. Ano ko? Nature lover ako. Nature lover.
Take exit
Ayoko tumira
28,
sa ganyang
then merge
katataas.
onto Boundary Road South.
Is Virgin Radio, The Weekender, Miles and Shannon. So, Shannon.